Hi, my name is John, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your department side menus and put a PDF on your side menus. So let's dive in and get started. Here I've got a website for the city of Athens, Texas. And within this website, they've got some different departments or groups. And some of these use our group pages feature. So let's go to the Kane Center, one of their facilities. And you'll notice with the breadcrumb links here that were under the groups. So that's typically how you know that you're looking at a group homepage. And then the side menu here can be managed by someone who has permissions to edit the Kane Center as a group within the website. So the customer came to us and said, "Hey, we'd like to put a PDF on the side of the Kane Center group menu, but we're not really sure how. Can you help us?" So in this video, we're going to show you how to do that. Now they provided us with this PDF, and I've gone ahead and removed the spaces from the file name, which is the best practice, really, when you're putting up a PDF or a file into your website and folks are going to download it. You should really try whenever you can to take the spaces out of the file name. It's just going to work better. So the first step is to get this file into the website. Now I've logged into the back end of their website already, and we need to get that file into the website. So we're going to go to media because that's where all the files and PDFs should reside. I'll click on departments, and you may have a different folder structure for your website. In this website, they've got all their departments underneath a root folder called departments. From there, I click on the Kane Center for this facility, and I can then take the PDF that's here on my desktop and drag it over into that folder, and it'll automatically upload it. So this memorandum of understanding just uploaded. You can see it right down here. And once you've got a file like this PDF into the media library, there is an icon over here to automatically copy a link to that file. So if we click on that chain link, we'll get a little green pop-up that says, yes, we've copied the URL for this PDF to your clipboard on your computer. And you can see that we've got a nice friendly URL. It's athenstx.gov/media/departments/Kane_center, and then the file name, no spaces in anything. That's ideal. Okay, so now we've got that link in our computer's memory, and we can now use it for the side menu. So the next step is to go to the groups, which is where that department homepage is for the Kane Center. Click on it, and all departments and groups do have the ability to have their own side menu that they can manage by themselves without messing around with the main menu of the website. So you'll go to the menu tab here under the Kane Center, and the items that populate this are automatically added whenever you have a form, an FAQ, a page, or an element in the website that is assigned to the Kane Center. Once you do that, it's going to appear here. Its visibility will be turned on automatically, and it just generates a list. Now, if you drag, these are drag and drop, and you can also drag sideways to create submenus. We're not going to do that right here, but remember, the goal of this exercise was to get this PDF into the side menu. So we're going to add a link, and there's a green button in the top right here where we can add a link. Let's go ahead and click that, and we'll call this Memorandum of Understanding with the YMCA. The link target is just going to be that link that we copy to our clipboard, and I'm hitting Control V, which is just simply pasting it, right? And then we hit apply, and now we've got a brand new link here, which we're opening in a new tab. That's another option. If you're linking to internal content, typically you don't have that checked because you're just going to go to that page. But if it's to an outside resource, or in this case, a file, it's usually a good idea to open that in a new tab so the visitor can see that file but not lose their place in the website. For now, I'm going to drag this to the bottom, and nothing's really going to happen publicly on the site until we hit save. So you have to hit save. We do that, and we should be done. At this point, when you're managing your department's homepage, you can jump to see a live view of it by just clicking the green button here. So let's do that. And now we're on that page and we can see the memorandum of understanding with the YMCA. It's kind of a long title, but you know, that's fine. It'll just wrap. Now another option might be to put the initials PDF in parentheses at the end of that so that folks know they're about to open a PDF. If I click it, we can see that we are automatically opening this as a PDF. The tab at the top here that says Microsoft Word, that's actually coming from the PDF itself. So if you want the title that appears at the top of the browser to be a little bit different, you edit that in the PDF itself before you upload it. Okay, so this was obviously something written in Microsoft Word and then saved out as a PDF. You would use Acrobat to change that title. Okay, so that's it. Really, it's pretty straightforward to add a link to a resource like a PDF and have that appear on all of the Kane Center's content pages on the left-hand side. Hope that video helped and gave you a little bit more insight in how side menus work for your group content. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.